Putting all this together, we've got an engine that has a bad knock when the engine's up to temp, no oil pressure at idle, only when he's revving, and we've got bearings that are excessively worn and getting ready to spin. So at this point, I'm looking at the crankshaft. So the crankshaft is supposed to lubricate everything, and it's got oiling passages all the way through it. That's how we keep bearings from spinning, is by making sure we have adequate oil pressure and the oil viscosity and all of that stuff. So what I haven't shown you up until this point is the actual bearings themselves. This is a main bearing, and if you can see there, it has .030 stamped on the side of it. And then this is a rod bearing. It has .030 stamped on the side of it as well. When I pulled these bearings, I knew that this crankshaft had been ground before, so I calibrated up a micrometer, and I got my measurements, my tolerances, what they were supposed to read, and I found that this crankshaft is actually ground a little bit too aggressively. Someone took too much material off of the crankshaft by about 1/1000th of an inch, which doesn't sound like a lot, but it's enough to cause this engine to fail. So let's talk about what we do here at Schott Engineering Performance to make sure this doesn't happen to our engines.